Hey guys, Travis with A&T Roofing. Today we're at a commercial property that we recently completed.
I wanted to just let everyone know that I contacted A&T Roofing Company and they were amazing. They came right out.
Alex, had my roof replaced by A&T. They gave us a good price, showed up on time.
All these roofing companies look exactly the same. They all were like similar colors, like red and black or this or that, and they're like Joe's Roofing or P&R Roofing, and it's all these names or initials, and like
He's like, oh, you guys own Planet Roof. Yeah.
You need to call Planet Roof and ask about their Galaxy plan. They'll perform a full health inspection on your roof. That includes gutters, downspouts, soffit and fascia, and they will seal roof penetrations and even clean off your debris. Not to mention your roof inspection and first year's maintenance fees are deducted off any future roof replacements through Planet Roof.
Hi, I'm Adam Finsick.
my name is Travis Kenny.
We're the founders of Planet Roof. It all started here in Belle Vernon, PA. This was our first office here. Then we moved to the second one over here. And I'll let Trav tell you a little bit about the area.
Yeah, so Belle Vernon, this is a very small town, maybe a little over 1,000 people. We both grew up here. It's called we call it the Valley. A lot of small towns right around each other. And basically what happened was we got our first location here in this office, which we were hesitant to even have an office, starting off. And we moved over to the next one, and we were very frustrated in this town, being that there's only over 1,000 people. And we help so many people still to this day around here with exterior home services and things like that, but there's only so much you can build your business in an area like this.
We were friends, we knew each other kind of before we became partners, but what it stemmed from is I knew him, I ran into him at Walmart. I actually had gotten out of the roofing industry. I was doing commercial roofing.
So at that time, I went from working sales at Comcast. We both, left there, and I went back before that, I went and made flyers and stuff because I was doing random construction, odd end stuff and things like that. And I was passing flyers out door to door, trying to do that on my own. Funny story, when me and Adam first met, I picked him up in this car. This is a 1990 BMW. So
it was in a snowstorm too. I can remember you waiting on a hill for me and picking a spinning tire on the way up.
Rear wheel drive, yeah. So this is a 1990 BMW. This thing in 1990 now is worth nothing, but at that time was $75,000. Like, you were like...
It's a V12.
Yeah, you were Donald Trump if you were driving around in this thing. It has a phone in the middle and everything.
Jackie.
Nice to meet you.
Our office girl slash my old lady.
Office girl.
Yeah. Well, you have different names on different days. So.
Different names and different days. I like it.
But yeah, this is where it starts. We're partners, but we're all family here.
Yeah. Sure.
Truly. Sure. We just kind of store stuff in here, shoot videos in front of that screen there, keep some shirts here for customers and the team and stuff like that. Back here, yeah, this is Pete, by the way.
Dimitri. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Pete's been with us for
It's going on 4 years.
4 years.
3.
Yeah.
4 years.
Yeah.
I like this. Yeah.
Yeah, we keep stuff.
See,
like
that's my good favorite. Branding. Kids always remember. It's funny, but kids, they pay attention to branding. How many times you got it in the last brand?
Oh, man,
Love it. That just
not
yeah, my kids the same thing. They love wearing shirts and stuff.
Yeah, absolutely.
Very cool.
We both coach sports. I coach hockey, he coaches football. And we give the kids shirts every year, and they die of them.
They love them.
They love them. Adam and Travis wasn't too, that's where we started the company. We thought we were clever, doing it alphabetically, and we obviously outgrew the name, and that was a big part of why we rebranded. But you see behind us, here's one of our old signs. Logo's very simple too. Looks like something you got off Fiverr.
Yeah.
This here is still a heated storage, which was a big part of us keeping it because we do coatings. so we can store coatings in here if we have any extras. But it's not beautiful.
You said there's old A&T shirts back
Yeah,
here?
man, I was going through them yesterday.
That's crazy. Just like the saw, the house, the hammer. We forgot to get a nail in there.
Oh, I thought that was the coolest logo on planet Earth. Absolutely. I couldn't believe how good we did with that at the time. Yeah, we got to get that saw. We got to get the saw on the roof so it kind of looks like the sun. And
yeah, it looks like the saw is cutting through the roof.
A&T
So that was a
project.com.
big motivator actually behind our rebrand. Was every day on the phone to 10 different people. I would have to say, okay, just email us. It's contact@myantproject. Dude, we got to change the
No,
name.
you should see. Mine was more like my MYAANDT.
Yeah, look
it just
at that.
got old. It
That
got
thing.
old. Yeah.
Ugh. I mean, don't get me wrong. I greatly have so much respect and love for
what we've done there.
what we did there.
Absolutely.
But we legitimately were like, okay, if people look us up in the phone book, they open it to A, it's going to say A&T. We were like, yes. So we started putting these tents up on every job. The reason being it's fall time, we get leaves falling. We had a guy actually was eating lunch last week and a leaf fell in his sandwich. It got him real sick.
Real sick, yeah. So we got to make sure we have this up for these guys every time. And we want to make sure right now they're up above the trees. When they come down to eat lunch, we want to make sure their heads are protected as well.
They're
so
safe.
They take refuge under this target, or,
Sure.
tent here. So just one more thing we do here at Planet Roof.
Sure. So Planet Roof partners with Owens Corning. We're an Owens Corning preferred contractor, about to be platinum. We partner with, there's 8 different shingle manufacturers on the market. We partner with and install Owens Corning because we have tested and found that it is the absolute most trustworthy product, in our opinion, on the market for many different reasons. So this is the Duration series here. It's triple layered. It's actually the only shingle that was designed for a nail gun. It has this nail strip right here that is going to give you guidance to make sure you're hitting it in the correct spot. You have that tar strip right here. It's kind of thin and kind of, you know, we like it to be very simple right here to hit that strip. You can't miss that. Also, all their products go together and create a full roof system. So that's why we pick Owens Corning to install on our customers' products, homes. Should I redo that?
It's one of our dump trucks. It use it as overflow usually. You know, if we run into a double layer tear off and we don't want to get another dumpster or something like that. We do a lot of rentals. We use it there as well sometimes. So
it's really good for our different real estate, flipping houses, throwing drywall or stuff like that in. Like he said, if we have a little 4-square roof or something like that, it's kind of too expensive to get a dumpster, so we use this.
All right, so we were talking the other day about our old brand and our old logo. We actually thought we were genius with what we came up with. We were looking at the logo and thought how great it was and the colors were awesome and how everything looked. Little did we know what we were missing. Fast forward, Transformation 2.0, here we go with Planet Roof. Now I know what we were missing. What we had before was nothing compared to what we have now. And it's not just us saying that, that resonates with the community as well. Now it's easier for us to be recognized and to be seen. It's easy for us to be remembered. A&T, we had so many people call us AT&T, and that just got old, and we were done with it. And when we transformed, and here you go with Planet Roof.
And we thought, like he said, we thought we had a great company and a great brand, and we were doing okay. Little did we know. We thought we had a great brand at the time. Little did we know, now that it all has been said and done, we realize it's not A&T Roofing 2.0. This is a different world for us. It's 10.0. If A&T Roofing was doing a job across the street and we were here, people wouldn't even look at them. They would be looking at us. It has completely transformed our from our mindsets to our employees' mindsets to our customers' mindsets, and it just makes our marketing so much easier and so much cheaper, to be honest, for us to be recognized. You can't miss it.
No, you can't miss it. You can't forget about us either. And this is, if you're anybody out there's ever thinking about rebranding, and you're the place where you think you're good, but you want to get to the next level, but you're looking at your name, you're looking at your logo, kind of disappointed with it, I'm telling you, if you know anything about me, this is not something I wanted to do. It was one of the scariest things I've ever done in my life. Fast forward that, it's probably the smartest thing I've ever done in my life. Now I have a business that I can get behind, that my employees can get behind, my teammates can get behind. It trickles right down to our customers.
My advice to you is try to think about, if you were on this street and you were doing a roof, would you stand out? Would you stand out against us or against A&T Roofing, or how would you compare? You do a lot of home shows and things like that. Are you standing out? Do people notice you when they leave? Are they thinking about you? Those are questions you need to ask yourself and make the decision from there.